Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. So, as you know, my mission is to end chronic pain, and I released a video previously about how to avoid slip and falls in snow and ice. Statistics have shown that 1 million Americans in the United States fall each year, and that's a big number. So I created that video because most people, the falls, or most of the time the falls happen during winter time when there's snow or ice on the ground, right? Now we have one of our patients, or somebody actually who saw the video, sent in a question through email wanting to clarify something. So the part there that a lot of times we think, oh, this is not going to happen to us, but it does happen. So I want to make sure everybody is safe. And one thing that the question that was asked about in that video is, when I mentioned in the video that when you have an icy surface or the snow on the ground, you actually, like, you don't lift your foot off the ground, or you kind of slide it while you're walking. All right. So the question that was asked is that a good way to be walking on a daily basis? Like, is that a good way to be walking normally? And my answer to that is no, that's not something that you want to do on a daily basis. All right. That is something that you only do when there's snow or ice on the ground, because if you lift your foot off the ground, you're more unstable because you have only one support, right? One point of support there. If your foot is sliding on the ground, you have more support because you always have 2 feet on the ground. So it gives you more stability. Now, if on a daily basis, on let's say a nice weather day, you'll be walking like that, you're sliding your feet on the ground to maintain contact, that's not good, because especially in New York, the streets are so bad, sidewalks are so bad, there's so many potholes, so many cracks. And if you actually walk with your feet sliding like that on the ground, there's a big chance that your feet will get caught on a crack, and that will cause you to fall. All right, so that's not something that I would recommend on a normal basis. Okay, you still would want to pick up your feet when you're walking normally, but if there's snow or it's an icy surface, yes, you'll be sliding it, because the chance of your feet getting caught on a crack, it's less than when you actually walk, picking your feet up and walking fast or carelessly. There's a bigger chance that you're gonna slip and you're gonna fall, and you can get hurt. All right. So my answer to that is no, you do not do that normally. But thank you for asking that question. I'm pretty sure just more than one person kind of had that in their mind. So I just took this opportunity to be able to just clarify that point. Okay, so feel free to share this with everyone you know. And if you like this video, feel free to leave your comment below. And you can follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So I'll see you on the next video of how to end chronic pain. Stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.